Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can upload multiple files on Dropbox automatically on receiving the files through a form submission. So guys, do you often have to copy and paste the files that you are getting from form submission and you have to manually upload it on Dropbox? Well, that can be a time consuming process. So here I'm going to show you how you can automate this process and how you can save yourself time and efforts. And here we are going to use Jotform for receiving the files. You can use any other form builder as well. And I'm going to show you how to set up the workflow so you can get it up and running in no time. And we are going to set up the automation workflow without any coding super easily. So let's begin. So we are setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here guys, click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here. So I have given the name here, upload multiple files from form to Dropbox. So after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So guys, our automations are based on these two things only. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the automated consequence or the response towards the trigger. So in our use case guys, receiving a form submission along with multiple files will act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action would be to upload the same files on Dropbox. Okay, so here guys, you have to choose the trigger application first. So in our use case, we are using Jotform to receive the files. So select Jotform here. Okay, then select the trigger event as new response, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with Jotform, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. Alright, so to make the connections, you need to follow these instructions written here. Let me show you directly my form application. This is my Jotform's form builder, and here we have the settings option. Click on form settings. Under form settings, left hand side panel, you will find this integrations tab. Click on it, and here you will find this webhooks tab, or you can search for webhooks here and you will find it here. So select this, and here you can see integration is already up and running here. So let me remove this integration. Okay, so when you search for webhooks and open it, this add webhook field will appear in front of you. So you have to erase this field properly. Okay, and you have to paste this webhook URL that you got from your workflow. Just click on copy from here and paste this here like this, and then click on complete integration, and your integration will be ready like this. Okay, now you can click on finish, and after that you can publish your form and open it. And here you can see guys, as we have copied the URL here, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. This means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to manually fill the form using some sample data or sample files, and the details of that submission will be captured here in this response section, and that will act as the test data for us to set up the automation further. Okay, so let us fill the form here. So this is a job application form I'm using. So here I'm putting the details as demo person is the name of the person. This is the email ID. This is the gender. And here it is asking for the resume and a photo. So I'm going to select two files here. One is for the photo, one is for the resume. Okay, so here let me just select a file, image file. So I have selected two files here, and I am going to click on open, and you can see I have attached two files here, and here it is asking to sign. So let me just sign it like this, and here I am clicking on submit, and you can see the form has been submitted. Okay, let's see in our workflow if we got the data of the form submission. So here you can see guys, we have received the data of the form submission like this, and in this data you can see we got this resume and one label in which we got the name of the file. Then this is the second name of the second file. And here we have the links, the file links. This is the JPG link and this is the PDF link. Okay, so we are going to use these links and names to upload the files on Dropbox. But guys, in Dropbox, it uploads only one file at a time using the automation. Okay, so we need to have one file and one file name at once. But here we got the two file names and two links at once. So what we are going to do now, you have, before capturing this data, you should toggle this simple response button to off. Why? I'll tell you. Just toggle this off and then recapture the response. Okay, I am clicking on recapture. You can directly toggle this response button to off and capture the details. Okay, I'm showing you the example. And here, let me just fill in the form again and capture the details. So guys, I have filled the form again. I have attached two files again, and here I'm clicking on submit again. And here you can see the response will be captured. So we got the response here now, and you can see in the response, we got this resume and label. Here we have the name of the files together in this array form. And similarly, we have the links of the files together in this array form. Okay, so no matter how many files you have uploaded, the response will be like this. It will capture the date in one array, it will capture the names in one array and the links in one array, another array. Okay, so now with the help of this action step, we are going to separate the names and the links one by one form. Okay, starting from the first name and the first file link with the help of a feature of Pabbly Connect, which is called iterator. So what iterator will do, you have to select iterator here in the section step. Let me show you. Iterator is going to segregate the arrays in one by one form. So here it is asking to choose the array. So we have two arrays here. So first of all, I'm going to separate the names here. So I'm going to choose this array, this Q15 resume and array here like this. Okay, so it will show you the previous step and the arrays like this. So from here you can choose this name array first, then click on save and send test request button. Okay, and here you can see it is showing the response, and here it is showing the name of the first file. Okay, similarly, you have to copy this step one more time. Here you can see we have this copy step option. Click on copy step, and here we have this paste step below option. Click on paste step below, and the same iterator step will be pasted here like this. Now on this step, you have to select the array again and choose the array this time for the links of the file. So we have the file links in this array. Okay, you can see raw request resume, and this is array. I have selected this same here. Now click on save and send test request one more time, and here you can see the link of the first file got separated out. So iterator is going to make this workflow run starting from the first file, then second, then so on. Okay, so it is going to separate the names and the file links like this. After that, it is time to upload these files on Dropbox. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for Dropbox. Here it is. And select the action event as upload file. Then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Dropbox. So it might bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. But I have already logged in my Dropbox. So it is just got connected. And here you can see it started showing file URL field and the file name field. Okay. So in Dropbox actions step, you have to map one file name and one URL at once. That's why we have separated the data with iterator. Okay. Now guys, you just have to click here, and from the second iterator step, this one, the third iterator step, you have to map the file link in the file URL field, and in the file name, use the second iterator step and map the file name. Okay. And here it is asking for the folder path. So you have to enter the path of the folder in which you want to save the files. So guys, here you can see I am saving my files here. I'm uploading my files here in this all infographic data folder. And to find the folder path, you just have to copy this name like this and you have to paste it here like this. Okay. Then you can check your connection with Dropbox by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and this file will be uploaded here in Dropbox, in this folder. Okay. So let's check our connection with Dropbox. Right now you can see I have only one file here in my all infographic data folder, and here I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and this is the response we have received here. Let's see in Dropbox folder if we got a new file, and here you can see we got a new file uploaded here with the same name. Okay, right? So this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to receive form submissions of multiple files, all the multiple files will be uploaded in your Dropbox automatically. Let me show you a demo here. I am opening the form again. Okay. And let us fill the form again. And let me upload files again. So I am selecting a Excel sheet here and a PNG file here. Okay. And let us attach 3 files at once. Okay. So you can see I have attached 3 files here. Let me sign the document and let me click on submit. You can see the form has been submitted. Now I am going to show you directly my Dropbox folder, and we are going to see if we got the files uploaded there. Okay, let us check. So guys, while running this workflow in real time, you can see we have found a small glitch here. You can see it started uploading same files multiple times here. You can see it has uploaded the Excel sheet 3 times and the PNG logo 3 times. Okay, and another PNG file also 3 times, because we have used iterator here 2 times. This is the reason behind this. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this glitch. We do not have to apply the iterator for the name of the file. So I'm just going to remove this step here. You can see we have this delete step option here. Click on delete step and delete this first iterator, and you will see the iterator step being removed. And here we are going to use only one iterator to separate the links of the file, and to get the name of the file to map here in this file name option in Dropbox. What we are going to use, we are going to use another feature of Pabbly Connect, which is called text formatter. And we are going to separate out this name of the file from this link only. Okay, so just click here on this plus icon. Another action step will open up, and here we are going to connect with text formatter. So from this action step, search for text formatter feature. Okay, and in the action event, we are going to use split text option here. Use split text, then click on connect. Okay, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So guys, in this previous iterator, we have segregated the link of the files, and here I'm going to map this response label in this text to split field. So just click here, and from this previous step, map this label, and here it is asking for the separator. So guys, I'm going to use this slash sign as the separator because I want to split this name of the file out of this link. So slash is the separator, and here it is asking which segment index or which part of this string you want to split out. So I want this last part, guys. So I'm going to select last as an option here and click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here you can see the name got fetched out here like this. And now we can map this name in this label here. You can see it is asking for the file's name again. And from this last text formatter step, map the result label as the name of the file. And now this automation is complete and error-free. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.